I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push my soul.
Kung mapanood mo tong video na to, pwede ba kita maging supporter kahit wala akong maibibigay sa'yo, kahit naka-engineer lang ako at di ako marunong mag-edit. Gusto ko lang maranasan ang pakiramdam ng may humahanga sa bawat video na ina-upload. Sobrang saya kasi pag nakikita mo na may sumusuporta sa'yo kahit na simple lang mga ginagawa mo. Nakakasipag gumawa ng video at hindi nakakasawang mag-upload. Sa panahon kasi ngayon, pag wala kang maibibigay ay malabo ka pansinin ng iba, at sa halip puro masasakit na salita pa ang mababasa mo, nakakalungkot man isipin pero yun ang totoo.